First of all, he has got nothing to do with Juna Akhada. He is absolutely nobody as far as Juna Akhada is concerned. And his only problem from my point, he has only one small problem. छोटा problem है.
Okay, we'll talk about that.
छोटा प्रॉब्लम है. उसको अभी गुरु का सख्त जरूरत है. वो गुरु किसी को मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं है, इसलिए कि उसे फ्रीडम चाहिए. वो सोच रहे गुरु मेरे को पकड़ के बंद कर देगा, मेरे को छोटे उनका जो ये करना पड़ेगा. आई एम AITN, मैं जाके वो सब नहीं कर सकता है. मैं खुद गुरु हूँ. ही स्टार्टेड फर्स्ट, आई एम माई ओन गुरु. GT Krishnamurti said this. Okay, very good. These are all things available in TV. I am not saying this. स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी में गुरु नहीं है तो दिमाग का संतुलन खराब हो जाएगा. गुरु ये अच्छा नहीं लगा तो दूसरा ढूंढ लो.
Hello everyone and welcome to the channel and welcome to an all new exclusive video of Mahakam. And हमारे आज के वीडियो का टॉपिक ये है कि एक हम लोगों अभी मतलब एक ट्रेंडिंग एक टॉपिक चल रही है इन द न्यूज़ एंड ये हेडलाइन बन रही है एंड मुझे इसके क्या ये गलत एलिगेशंस है या फिर नहीं, हम इसके इनके एलिगेशंस तो जो अभय सिंह एक्स IITN बॉम्बे तो उनके बारे में बहुत सारे र्यूमर्स अभी मतलब फैल रहे हैं. सो लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द र्यूमर कि क्या वो यहाँ से मतलब ये जो जूना अखाड़ा में वो ही वाज बीन हियर, क्योंकि मैं भी यहाँ पे उनके साथ इंटरव्यू कर चुकी हूँ. नाउ ही इज़ नॉट हियर, मतलब अभी वो यहाँ से जा चुके हैं तो मतलब वो कहाँ गए हैं नाउ नोबडी नोज दैट. लास्ट टाइम हम लोगों ने उनका बहुत ही मतलब वो जो डिवाइन एंड एनर्जेटिक डांस हम लोगों ने लास्ट उनका देखा है एंड उसके बाद से ही इज़ नॉट हियर. वो कहाँ गए हैं नोबडी नोज एंड फिर उसके बाद एक नेगेटिव न्यूज़ अभी चल रही है. सो नाउ आप लोग उसके साथ 40 डेज रह चुके हो इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. तो आप लोगों से ही मुझे क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहिए कि मतलब व्हाट इज़ दैट थिंग.
What's the thing? Okay. He has, first of all, he has got nothing to do with Juna Akhada. He is absolutely nobody as far as Juna Akhada is concerned.
Okay.
He has expressed a desire to me to meet the monks. So I have seen sincere seeker in him. I still don't doubt it. If you doubt it, that's your prerogative. You can. Okay, that's my opinion. Because of the Ashirvads I got him, he got what he wanted. He wanted to be known, he wanted to be free. He said, I cannot have a guru because I like to be free. I left my home, I left my everything, job, because I cannot be under command of anyone. So I need freedom. I said, yes, okay, fine. It's your life, your wish. So he left. So now, what time he left, what bus he took,
No.
does it make any difference?
No.
Okay. If there is any crime involved in it, there are agencies, law and order is there, they'll take care of it. If I am a criminal, they'll take me, take him. If both of us are not criminal, they'll take both of us. We have nothing to do. Everything is our guru.
Yes.
He do not know anything. He is sitting there, but he directs. We are under his direction because we are at his charan.
Yes.
That is how our organization functions. And it has a chain of order. मैं, मेरा गुरु, उनका जो वो chain मैं break नहीं कर सकता है. ब्रेक किया तो मैं अलग कर दिया जाऊंगा. चेन ब्रेक हो तो आप क्या करते हैं, जो वीक है वो लिंक निकाल के स्ट्रॉन्ग कर देते हो ना, तो बाकी हो जाता है. He has come like a tourist with me. He has taken the blessings, and Guru Maharaj was kind enough to keep him for 7 days. And same Guru Maharaj instructed me. He is staying here too long and too many journalists and media. It is disturbing the work. So anyhow, he asked me initially only for 2 days. 7 days ho gaya. Now we can leave. So that means
That means he was
I have to
not
perform my duty.
associated with,
Yeah,
this
yeah. Disobeying a command of Guru,
हाँ हाँ.
whereas in civil society, outside आप लोगों को socially, disobeying a command, lawful command must be lawful.
Yes.
Lawful command is a very big offense in defense services because I was there. Lawful command, it must be lawful. If it is coming from a senior, lawful. Here in Juna Akhada, Whether it is lawful or illegal, we don't see. He gives me a command to kill you, I'll kill you now.
Oh my God.
Because that
So
is the kind of discipline. Don't take
No, no, this is
it as a take it as a no. Don't take it seriously. That means that much strict.
Okay.
We don't pass. Suppose if someone comes and interferes, he is taken to task in the evening.
Okay.
Because हमसे सीनियर आके इंटरफियर कर सकता है. कोई जूनियर कोई कमाना से आ गया, unless he suggests. That's a system. To explain this, to keep him here for 2 days, I kept him one night. I did not bring him here. I kept him one night at a hotel. I still have a receipt, and my name is there. His name is there. His Aadhaar is also there.
All right.
We may not have been to IIT, but what is IIT? Knowledge,
Yes.
and which is certified as the greatest available technically in India and worldwide. Worldwide recognition IIT. I am an IITian. Yes. माँ सरस्वती दिखता है.
Exactly.
Ah.
So you
So-
maintain, हाँ.
We may not be, but in our own field, he has Ma Saraswati ka Krupa, and our Guru has Ma Saraswati herself.
Okay.
So IIT gives Krupa, Vidya. So Vidya कहाँ से आता है? Direct. देवताओं का गुरु कौन?
सरस्वती, माँ सरस्वती.
देवताओं का गुरु.
ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश विष्णु.
गुरु देवताओं का गुरु सब बताओ यार.
बृहस्पति.
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 So वहाँ से लेते हैं लोग. वहाँ से हमको जरूरत के हिसाब से देते हैं. So we don't bother about qualifications and piece of papers and certificates. We don't give a damn.
Yes.
अब बोलिए.
So you have actually kept the maintain and decorum of this place, and he have not done anything criminal.
No.
He was not at
He is
all,
excellent boy. He has gone from here with Guru Maharaj's Ashirwad. He is going towards his destiny. He will come back also. When he will come back, you ask me immediately. I do not know. He may appear after 5 minutes. He may appear after 3 months in Kasi. Because everything has to end where it began from. You started journalism from certain office. Now you want to go resign. You have to go there, resign. You have to make one final appearance. You have to hand over their equipment. So he has to come back. And his only problem from my point, he has only one small problem. छोटा problem है.
Okay, we'll talk about that.
छोटा प्रॉब्लम है. उसको अभी गुरु का सख्त जरूरत है. वो गुरु किसी को मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं है, इसलिए कि उसे फ्रीडम चाहिए. वो सोच रहे गुरु मेरे को पकड़ के बंद कर देगा, मेरे को छोटे उनका जो ये करना पड़ेगा. आई एम IITian, मैं जाके वो सब नहीं कर सकता है. मैं खुद गुरु हूँ. He started first, I am my own guru. G.T. Krishnamurti said this. Okay, very good. These are all things available in TV. I am not saying this. You people only said this. I do not know. When his interview was going on, I did not interfere. So, then he said, I am my own guru. Then after some time he started saying, I am also Krishna. He told him.
Yes.
And within 5 minutes he said, I am Shiva, who can control me. So this is, all this is not madness. Many people are saying he is mad. It's not madness. स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी में गुरु नहीं है तो दिमाग का संतुलन खराब हो जाएगा. गुरु ये अच्छा नहीं लगा तो दूसरा ढूंढ लो, देश भर ढूंढ लो. ये गुरु ढूंढ रहा है. अगर वो सच में ढूंढ रहा है, मैं बिलीव करता हूँ सच में ढूंढ रहा है, उसका गुरु मिल जाएगा, वो और ऊपर जाएगा.
All right.
ठीक है. With that kind of blessings, he has left this place, and I assure you, he'll be fine.
Absolutely. And you know.
Thank you. You are worried about IIT Baba's safety.
Yes.
Don't worry, he's fine. अभी इनसे पूछ. अब बाकी चीज ये बताइए. अभी now if you may, I need to lie down here for a while. My back is aching very badly.